$1,400 trading. One trade. Yesterday I made $2,100 trading. One trade. I hate trading and driving, especially in red traffic. See what these 30 longs could do. I'm about to be at the crib in 5 minutes though. Break even at 10. Oh yeah, we up 1,000. There we go. Come on, hit that TP. I didn't even get the screenshot the TP too. That's how fast it happened. We don't have a knowledge problem. We don't have an information problem. We have an application problem. In trading, you're gonna make the money by having a system and having good, proper risk management and exercising those probabilities over time. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, it is an early Tuesday morning. Early on a Tuesday, it's 9:17. It's early, but it's late. I just took my girlfriend to work, and I ain't gonna lie, me and her woke up a little bit late. I'm not sure why. Maybe just because yesterday we did so much, so by the time we knocked out, it's not like I took naps yesterday. By the time I knocked out at night, I was rocked. Like, no, I didn't wake up one time in my sleep. I was just asleep, and then I was up, and she was talking about, it's about to be 9 o'clock. I'm like, ah, shit. But with that being said, everything we do is online. As long as I got my phone, I made sure I bring my camera so we can get some content. We straight. I don't need to force my way home. So I'm looking at the way home right now, right? And it says it's about 21 minutes, 23 minutes, and it's already 9:17, bro. So with that being said, we're going to be late anyway. We're not going to make it at 9:30. So I'm going to take the time right now to go get gas in the car. I'm going to go just get situated, and I'm going to get on the VIP call on my phone. I'm going to see if there's any trade ideas, and then I'm going to start driving over there once I can get everything situated. But I'm not going to try to give my analysis and everything while driving because fuck that. So we're going to do this, park up, and get straight to it. That's a whole bar. He said it's really on. He said it's on me, but it's really in me. That's a fact.
That's a pause. That gotta be a pause.
Nah, you gay.
That gotta be a pause, bro. There has to be a pause on that.
Nah, you the only one who thinking that. But yeah, I'm still waiting for these shorts on US 30 if we could retrace to the 4-hour gap. But right now, I'm just being patient. Maybe it happens at 10 o'clock. Maybe it never happens at all. But I'm just trying to get to the crib. I hate trading and driving, especially in red traffic. Not even fucking orange traffic. Red traffic, my. Honestly though, nonetheless, you're the reason I was looking for the possible long. So I'm gonna possibly watch it, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe a 3-contract trade, keep this shit light. Cause I wanna be able to take another trade in case this shit does go to that 4-hour gap, cause I still do think we might get a good drop from there, to be honest. That's my idea right now. If anything bad happens, just look at it as a test. I'm being tested. Like, damn, my car broke, my leg broke, my girlfriend broke up with me, and I'm broke. Damn. It's just a test. It's just a test.
That shit, definitely.
But now let's see what these 30 longs could do. I'm about to be at the crib in 5 minutes though. So let's see if we can make some money. I'm up 500. I'm only risking 750. I didn't go my full 1,000. So we'll see. My TP would be about 14, 17. No, it would be about 1,500. 1,500. Oh, the Rolls Royce driving by me, old ass nigga. That shit 1950. Still costs more than my car. So you got it.
When you see a nice ass car, do you see an old guy? How about that?
Bro, he's not even old, bro. Young. Bro, young in a 1950s car. He's a menace.
Yeah, that's stupid what's out here. That's where they credit come through. They're trying to give me.
I don't even know if it's credit. Them shits got fucking, they got, what are they, antique plates.
Hand-me-downs.
Bro, those are antique plates.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't even know if they're hand-me-downs, Kel, because he got a new one. There's another one. It's like another Rolls Royce that was
older models?
Yeah, a newer, older one from like a newer, older, different version of another Rolls Royce, like a couple weeks ago.
I think I've seen them.
It's the white one.
But
it's a white one. It's like a white old one. Break even at 10. Kino, you are not able to get in on your phone and on your joint?
Nah, I'm in on my phone and my computer, bro. This shit not letting me log in, bro.
Shit, at least you have like one version. I thought you was like completely locked out like Cal. Whole time we found out why Cal couldn't trade, it's because they fucking did his payment again.
Oh.
Whole time. And they cooked his account and took that shit, bro.
Bro, this shit can't.
I'm about to be parked up, and then we're gonna be back in the crib. So I'm gonna be back upstairs in a minute. If the trade for some reason or somehow hits TP in that span, then that's what's up. But right now I'm break even on the trade. Y'all heard it here first. Let's see if we can get TP2, but if not, then I'm back at the crib at least, so it's a win-win situation nonetheless. All right, we at the crib. We're in our trade. We hit TP1, risking about 750. I was just up 750, so I broke even. So luckily, there's no risk on this trade right now, only profit. But now we got to get it back upstairs so we can actually get to Kel, man. Kel was on the call, but I got him alone in the crib. This is a trading day. I got to get back. Nah, he's eating that fresh kitchen, but it's just all leftovers. I ain't gonna lie. We have 700. Let me get the computer on. Oh yeah, we up 1,000. We up 1,000. We're here. We up. TP2 about to get hit. I ain't gonna lie. So anybody that caught these longs, good shit. Another day. There we go. Come on, hit that TP. Another day caught in 4K. Come on, 1,500. Oh yeah. Not bad. And that was the lower risk. I didn't even risk a full 1,000. I only risked 750 on that trade. Now that's a dub. W for me, W for you. And then we got Kel late again. Kel be the 10 o'clock boys. That's a fact. Market analyst indeed. Nah, it's fast day. Fast day. I did all that in the car. Thought I was gonna be late. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm overall bearish. I wouldn't be surprised this just keep dropping. But it's Tuesday. That's another reason I was like, if we reverse, I'm cool with taking that previous day's low as a move, just in case this shit really keep going. But I got what I got. Made 1,500 on it. 1,500. I didn't even get the screenshot the TP2. That's how fast shit happened. I got no markups. Like, I got nothing to even show. If I posted this, people would be so confused. At least short term. Because until we run that London high, 30 still has room to the downside. Shit, I'll take my little 1 to 2. I'm straight. Before commission, I got exactly 1,500. Before commission. So that's what I'm gonna screenshot. Because I go straight over, that should say 1487. 1487, 16 cents. Cameraman, I got you, Cal. Here, Cal about to get his trade about to hit. Cameraman Dre, let's see, my boy up. I can't see what that number is. He up about 120, 130, and that should start flying. And he eating some fresh kitchen. Fresh, not in the kitchen. Fresh profits. See, right here, this is where you make money. You can make money, eat with a view. It comes with the apartment. And that's it. We do the same thing we do every single day because we know it's going to work long term. How do we know it's going to work long term? From the experience and from the stuff that we've back tested. For everything we do. Everything we do that got us to this point, it got us here for a reason. You're not in the place you are for no reason. Even if you like that or you don't like that because you're happy or not happy where you are, you're in the spot you are for a reason. You just got to understand, what have I done to get here? And if it's negative, stop doing them. If it's positive, keep doing them. Simple as that. But y'all have a great day. Have a positive day. Stay busy. I'm gonna see y'all. If y'all need anything, y'all know where to find me. And we done for the day. Just like that. Now me and Kel, we about to go for a walk. We about to take the dogs out. Yeah, get some sunlight. Get some physical shit.
We gotta do something.
Nah, real shit. It's good. It's still early though too. All right, about to get my day started after it's already been started. Get some of my coffee made. Give me some water. Let's get this right. Haven't had my coffee in a couple days. That's more than enough. I don't like to overdo it. And now, we wait. All right, right now we about to go get my girlfriend from work. I'm in the back seat while Kel driving. Presidential. And I got the Maybach windows.
He only had actually just messaged me with pictures of these pastries.
Heated seats and all? Oh yeah. I'm chilling back here after a good day. $1,500 trade, well $1,400 after commission. He won his trade too.
You are going the wrong way.
It's W. W for everybody. But we about to go to Topgolf. Enjoy the day. Make some money, be productive, and enjoy the day. And then just do it all again tomorrow. I can't just record that. I'm about to go free. The way is always up there. All right, right now, as you guys can see, I'm on the balcony and everything. This is where I'm going to be wrapping up my night, but I want to wrap up the night having a conversation with you guys because overall, we've had a great last 4 days. We're on a winning streak, as you guys can see from the winning videos, from the titles of the videos, how I made this, how I made this. A lot of the times, these are the videos that a lot of people like to see. They like to see the positivity. They like to see the actual results. They like to see the good things. They like to see when I'm winning. They don't like to see when I'm losing. They don't like to see when I'm not on a good winning streak. They don't like to see all of those things. But at the end of the day, this is the real reality. I have losing streaks. I have winning streaks. It's all about having a proven system that works over time. The same thing that I'm doing every single day has worked 2 months ago, 2 years ago. It's going to work in 2 years. It's just about following the process. To me, I made $1,400 trading. One trade. Yesterday, I made $2.1 thousand trading. One trade. Last Friday, I called a winning trade for the team that could have made me $2,000. I didn't make $2,000, but I called a winning trade. I'm saying that to say, doesn't matter if I caught the trade on a demo, doesn't matter if I caught it on a funded account, a live account. Regardless, you guys got to understand, you got to focus on what's going to bring the money. Don't focus on the money, focus on what's going to bring the money. Put it like this, if you want to make money creating content, you're not going to focus on how to make money creating content. You're going to focus on how to create content that's going to keep people entertained so that that can make the money. That's what you got to understand. You would be focusing on the content creation, focusing on being creative, focus on creating high quality content. That's going to make the money, not chasing the money. In trading, you're going to make the money by having a system and having good proper risk management and exercising those probabilities over time. That's what's going to bring the money. You get what I'm saying? I just didn't wake up today and just like, I'm just going to randomly press random buttons on the chart. No, I do the same exact system. I win some, I lose some. It's just a probability game. And that's what trading is. Trading is 100% just a probability game. In the last 4 days, I've made about maybe $5.5 thousand in the last 4 days. And that's not even going crazy. That's just 1 to 2s. I took a 1-to-1 last Thursday. Wednesday. Last Wednesday, I took a 1-to-1. Last Wednesday. I had to think about it. Thursday was the last day that I traded last week. That was a W. And I'm pretty sure I made $2,000 on Thursday. I say that all to say that these results are very possible. And I show you guys, I'm not changing what I do. You've seen me when I'm winning. You've seen me when I'm losing. You've seen the process regardless what I'm doing. It's the same exact thing. And sometimes it's boring. I'm not going to lie to you. It's very boring for me to keep saying the same shit to you guys. But at the end of the day, we don't have a knowledge problem. We don't have an information problem. We have an application problem. We know the information we need to do. We know what we need to do. It's just a matter of us actually doing it. It's just a matter of us actually taking action. Most people don't take action. Most people are gonna watch this video and not go watch the free course. Most people are gonna watch this video and not join VIP. Most people are gonna watch this video and not use what I'm telling you guys to benefit your life. Regardless if you pay the money for it or you use the free information, you just need to apply the information that I'm teaching you. And not even just me, that's anybody's teaching you. The information is so valuable. There's so much valuable information out there. I speak billions of dollars worth of game every single day on these videos, and I have thousands of videos. It's just a matter of taking advantage of it. Because trust me, everything you need, you have to be successful, to be the best version of yourself. Everything you need, you already have. It's just a matter of starting, building yourself, taking the next step, starting that business, starting trading, going to the gym tomorrow, recording that first video. It just comes down to starting. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. $100,000 months are coming soon. $100,000 weeks are coming soon. $100,000 days are coming soon. Just now, I was just at dinner with Kel. Kellen is out with his wife right now. Him and an old friend they're all like getting together, just kind of chilling. I was just talking to them because I had dinner with them all before they went out to drink. I just told them, there's no Lambos in my garage. And then I come home and I see a new Lambo in the garage. It's it's a lime green Urus. I seen that Urus, bro. And then it's just motivational. This is why you got to surround yourself with motivation. This view is motivational. This is what makes me go. This is what wakes me up in the morning. People always ask me, what motivates me? Not being where I want to be. Seeing things like this and still knowing that there's so much potential still. Knowing I'm not at my full potential. That's what keeps me motivated. But I don't want to keep yapping y'all heads off. Overall, I had a great day. I had a productive day. I'm going to wake up tomorrow and do the same exact thing. Same shit, different day. Stay safe. If you want to learn how to trade, the trading concepts, the trading systems, the links in the description to the free trading course, the free trading webinars. If you want to join VIP so you can get access to me and the community, where you can take the trades with us, where you can be live with us every single day, where we give value on everything, trading, money, mindset, and everything. Join VIP, links in the description. And if you want to learn how to make money creating content like I do also, the links for that is also in the description. Everything you need to make money online is in the description. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. And I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.